Good evening. Though the likes of Akeem Bloomfield, Nathan Allen, Odin Skeen and Clive Pullen have been setting the country alight with their performances, a host of other Jamaicans have been performing well during the NCAA season. The U.S. Track and Field Cross Country Coaches Association recently published an article which revealed that 31 Jamaican athletes are set to compete at the June 7-10 National Championships in Eugene, Oregon. With many people worried about where the next generation of Jamaican top-class athletes will come from, this should help quell some of those concerns. Although there is one caveat. The majority of the Jamaican team members and medal winners at the World Championships and Olympic Games in recent years have been home-based athletes. And that's where performing well at the NCAA circuit can actually be a bad thing for Jamaican athletes. There are several theories as to why many of the Jamaican athletes who shine at the NCs don't repeat their performances at the major championships, with the biggest one being the burnout factor. One other factor to consider is that the finalist stage in Eugene, Oregon, and according to world-renowned coach Stephen Francis, the times run at the historic Hayward Field are not real. The fact that Omar McLeod has been the most successful Jamaican athlete who has come through the NCAA system in the last couple of years, maybe more Jamaican athletes should follow that model, doing 2 years in college before going pro, at least the ones who have the requisite talent to do so. We look forward to seeing what kind of performances the Jamaican athletes will produce in Eugene, but the more important performances will come between June 22 and 25 at the National Stadium. I'm Jordan Fort. Good evening.